Welcome to Fluid Mechanics quiz number 4. First one, the upward force exerted by a liquid on a body when the body is immersed in the liquid is known as dash. Second one, the point through which force of buoyancy is supposed to act is called dash. Third one, the point about which a body starts oscillating when the body is tilted is known as dash. Fourth one, the distance between the metacenter and center of gravity is known as dash. Fifth one, the metacentric height gm is given by gm equal to dash, where capital I equal to moment of inertia of the floating body, V equal to volume of the body submerged in water, Pg is distance between center of gravity and center of buoyancy. Sixth one, conditions of equilibrium of a floating and submerged body are: first one, dash equilibrium means capital M is above G at floating body, capital B is above G in submerged body. Second one, dash equilibrium, capital M is below G in submerged body, capital B is below G. Third one, dash equilibrium, M and G coincide in floating body, and at submerged body capital B and G coincide. Seventh one, the value of metacentric height Gm experimentally is given as Gm equal to dash. Eighth one, the time period of oscillation or rolling of a floating body is given by capital T equal to dash. First one, answer is buoyancy or force of buoyancy. Second one, answer is center of buoyancy. Third one, our answer is metacenter. Fourth one, answer is metacentric height. Fifth one, answer is Gm equal to capital I by V minus Pg. Sixth one, first answer is stable equilibrium. Sixth one, second answer is unstable equilibrium. Sixth one, third answer is mutual equilibrium. Next, seventh one, capital Gm equal to W1x divided by W tan theta. And then eighth answer is capital T equal to 2 pi root of k squared divided by Gm into G. If you got 8 out of 8 means you are a winner. Congratulations. If you got below 8 marks means you are a runner. You try to get full scores. All the best.